Hello amazing people, welcome again to another brand new video on Liversity. My name is Eric Were, and in this video I'm going to disclose to you 6 biggest things you are likely to regret at an older age. If you are new on Liversity, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post another brand new video like this one. It is true that getting old is not a guarantee. Only death, taxes and change are inevitable. However, should you be among the few blessed to grow old, there are things you are likely to regret not doing in your teenage years. Here are the 6 biggest things you are likely to regret in your old age. 1. Not starting a business. If there is one thing that most of old people I have interacted with regret, is not being able to start a business in their teenage years. Most of the old people I have interviewed cannot fathom how they missed this rare opportunity. A majority attribute their failure to fear and procrastination. They knew they could make it, but somehow they kept putting off taking action. I will start tomorrow. Most of them will promise themselves. Unfortunately, their tomorrow never came. Others gave vague excuses like, I have a wife and kids, so I cannot start a business. I am too busy on my 9-to-5 job. It is almost impossible to start a business. I don't have enough capital. It takes money to make money. Without money, it is just impossible to make it. I am not qualified enough to start a business. I am afraid of failure. What if I lose all my money? I am still young to start a business. I am too old to start a business. Before they knew it, most of the old people I interviewed on the streets were nearing retirement. Most had grandchildren. To them, life was over. They were waiting for their fateful days with tears in their eyes. They had wasted their golden years on excuses. If you are in your teenage years, this is the right time to start a business. Remember, if success really matters to you, you will find a way. If it doesn't, you will always create excuses. Start that business you have been dreaming of right now, today. Fail fast and learn fast. The faster you can accumulate knowledge through failure and experience, the faster you will succeed. Quit those excuses and take action today. Only put off until tomorrow what you are willing to die having left undone. Otherwise, you will be filled with regrets in your old age. Regret number 2, not having a healthy fit body. Most older people I interviewed blamed their poor health to not exercising and not eating healthy. When they were young, they knew they needed to work out. Unfortunately, they never found the time to actually exercise. Most of them were busy on their 9-to-5 jobs, struggling to make ends meet. A few who visited the gym gave up severally before quitting completely. They couldn't just withstand the temporary pain and the commitment it takes to exercise. They were not committed to eating healthy. In their old age, their health account was 0. Their immune system was weak. To drive the final nail into their caskets, the regrets were just too much to handle. To avoid such regrets, ensure you deposit enough money in your health account by working out at the gym regularly and eating healthy. Last but not least, always drink lots of water daily. The daily deposits you make in your health account will be very useful during your old age when you need to withdraw them. Regret number 3, not saving for retirement. A majority of the elderly regret why they didn't save enough money for retirement. Of all the regrets, this is the biggest. I came to learn that most of them regret why they did not take away enough cash for retirement because of their small dreams. A majority of them were brought up to only think of retirement. Very few were thinking of investing even for their grandchildren. The new rich save money for the next 4 generations after them. That is why their dreams are big. Most poor people and the middle class only save for retirement. If you are looking to enjoy life in your old age, save for at least 2 generations after you. That is the only way to guarantee you enough money in your old age. Should you spend the money you had staked out for yourself, you can at least spend a portion of the money you had staked out for the first generation and leave the remaining to the second generation and even the third and the fourth generation. It will pay the highest dividends. If you save only for retirement, you will barely have enough to spend with your children and grandchildren. Remember, you can survive with little or no money in your teenage years. However, it is hell on earth to have no money in your old age. Regret number 4, not investing. Whether in stocks, real estate, or businesses, a majority of old people regret why they didn't invest their money. Most blame their misery to poor advice. Most of the elderly were advised by their parents to save, to hoard money for use in their old age. Few were taught to invest. The problem is, if you have a few seeds and don't bother to plant them, you will always remain with those few seeds regardless of how long you keep them. The same applies to money. Money is like a seed. The only way to grow more seeds is to plant them. Investing is a term used for planting money. Only through investing will you multiply your money. Instead of leaving lots of your money idle in that bank account, why don't you take the risk to invest it in something? Buy those stocks, invest in real estate, start a business. You will thank yourself for investing your money when old age knocks at your door. Regret number 5, not spending too much time with their loved ones. Most people in their active years shift all their attention towards work and making money. In their old age, they cannot work anymore. A majority become bedridden due to poor health. In those dark moments, the people they shunned in their active years take great care of them. This leaves most of the elderly with bitter regrets. A majority sob and curse themselves why they gave priority to their bosses' businesses instead of giving back love to their family. Ensure you hit the balance. Apart from work, ensure you carve out time to spend quality time with your family. In the thick of thick things, most family members will always have your back. Never put your family second to your work. The more you fill your love account, the more you will have a lot to withdraw in your old age. Regret number 6, not expressing personal feelings. A majority of the elderly regret why they failed to openly express their intimate feelings with the special people they came across in their lives. Never fail to tell someone you love them when you still have the chance to do so. It is better to say it and be rejected than never to say it at all. As I always say, he who loves never loses anything. Whether in rejection or celebration, love will always find a way to win. Ensure you invest a lot in your love account while still young. You will reap the dividends in your old age. Be sincere with people. Love people wholeheartedly, just the same way God loves you. Be a person who is out to appreciate those unappreciated. Make people feel special in your presence. Don't be a negative, toxic person who drains the energy out of other people. Be a special person who brings the best out of people. In your old age, you will be happy that you cared to deposit in your love account. That's it for this video, guys. See you again in the next video where I will be sharing another fantastic topic. If you found massive value from this video, kindly hit that like button. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload another brand new video like this one. If you have been watching videos on Liversity and have never subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. It is very important. It's the least that we can ask from you, and we are here promising you to give you the best that we can. Until next time, stay safe guys. May God bless you.